create more just food systems. And beans, legumes, Kapucijners can help us do that.
Exactly. And some of the projects that ACID is organizing is festivals like Reclaim the Seat, which is a big seat exchange and political content in terms of workshops and talks. We also organize things like the Food Autonomy Festival, and we always join forces and coalition with other collectives to take action. And I think it's time to move on because it's snowing. So we're gonna do the first video in which we're gonna soak the Kapucijners and start sowing them in the greenhouse.
See you there!
The first step before sowing beans of any kind is to let them soak in water in order to help the sprout to break the shell more easily. You don't have to keep soaking too long, otherwise they get mushy and moldy. About half a day, depends. Step 2 is laying the Kapucijners in a bed of soil. At Pluk we have big biodiversity, so a lot of different living beings, including mice, which really like peas and legumes. And this is why we keep the Kapucijners in beds for a couple of weeks to sprout, so that they're not eaten out in the fields.
We have 2 more.
And we place them keeping them a few centimeters separate, and in a few weeks after they've been resting in a bed of compost, they'll be happily sprouting.
Normaal zou ik je allemaal. Maar dit is gewoon.